Hello friends, in this video we are going to customize the login form, right? So let's check the login form, what exactly it is. A new private window, localhost, WordPress, new WP admin. So this is the login page. If you want to customize this login page, then what we have to do, there is two options. One is that we can use the plugin. So here is it is the plugin login press that will customize everything, the logo and all, right? You can use this one and it can be done easily. Second one, we are using the like function.php, right? So this is the thing, I'm going to uninstall one plugin that I have already in plugin section. We have which plugin that is, um, which one? WhatsApp chat, commerce, restore classic, WordPress admin logo. I'm going to deactivate this because I have been using for the logo. So I'm going to delete it, right? Let me check my theme. Which theme I'm using? Themes. That is, I'm going to activate this theme, right? Now let's do the customization. So first, what it says, change the admin login logo, right? So this is a function, just copy it, this function, right? Go to the your theme directory and go to the functions.php, and here I'm going to add the function, right? So it says w2 directory images site logo. So I'm going to add any of the logo I'm going to download logo, like here the images I'm going to add. So logo png, you can say. So this we will use this Burger King logo, right? So I'm going to download this, save image as test.png in the desktop, right? I'm going to go to the desktop, open in a new tab, desktop. We have this logo. Where do we need to place? In the assets, images. I'm going to paste this over here. Paste it. The logo is test dot. Rename it test.png. It's in the uh, assets. We need to add assets, assets, images, and this is the logo that we are going to add it. Right? Let's check whether the logo is changed or not. So it's redirecting to the WordPress org. Let's inspect this. WordPress new WP content themes, DMS assets, images. Okay, in the assets, AWS ETS, right? I'm going to reload this one again. So logo is coming, right? You can customize it accordingly. Height you want to give, you can give. Width you want to give, you can give. So accordingly you can add the logo. Background size, no. Background repeat this. So this is how you can add the logo, right? Very neat and clean logo that is visible, right? So here let's remove this all CSS which don't require, right? So this is done. First customization we have done, right? Now let's check the button colors and all. So let's move to the next step. Here we have this part is done. Now you can function login URL, return home URL, add filter, which URL you want to return, or function my login URL title, your site name or info. We are going to use this filter, right? Here you can see login WordPress, right? So here I'm going to change this by adding this hook, And your, if I'm going to save this and just reload this page, my login URL title. Okay, login URL title. Not this one. This is different one, I guess. Log to change the links of the logo. Okay, so here I'm going to change the link of the logo. Here, if I'm going to check this, it will going to the WordPress.org. So how we are going to change it? So let me add this one, style sheet, this function, home URL, paste it, and reload this. It will go to my WordPress website, right? So this is, you can change the link of that. Next, we are going to do the styling part. So let's add the styling sheets. So here I am going to add the styling sheets. That is custom login, get style sheet URL, style login.css. Style login.css. I'm going to add, or here you can, you need to create get style sheet directory. So I'm going to create this CSS file over here. Let me add this style sheet URL, assets, CSS. I'm going to create new, open terminal, touch control V. This is style login.css. I'm going to add it over here, or you can put this and just open in a Sublime TXT editor. Let's check whether the path is coming or not. So control F V, style login.css. It's not coming right now. Let's reload this. Something happened over here. It's themes DMS. It should be there, right? DMS, right? So it's, if I'm going to copy this and go to my DMS file, and here I'm going to paste it and add the CSS. Let's start the CSS edition. So here I'm going to copy the CSS part from here. They know the body login, body and everything. Or you can add, you can, I'm just copying login anchor tag, background image and all. Let's see what exactly it is showing. And we can do the styling over here. Like, let me change the color of this login. So this is, let's use this CSS. So body login, div h1, form login, form login, back to top button, WP submit. Let me copy this WP submit button. Is it adding something? Background red, right? And border 2 pixel solid, right? This is how you can design the full form accordingly. So I'm going to paste this, right? So this is how you can use the style sheet, and you can customize the logo without the use of any of the plugin, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and hope you will understand and you can change anything according to it, right? So there should be next one, that's the filter login message, action login form, or action login form. You can make the custom. If the user is logged in, you can use that hook, and if it is not logged in, then display the site link and to the other users, right? So This way you can change the logo of the WordPress and change the link, and we are doing the styling shade and customizing the things, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.